This is an assignment for programming third semester jobs. I include IOStream, basic IOStream, ctime for random number generator, and cmath to use the square root. And I'm using namespace std because I see how here I declare functions to be used later in bubble sort, functions for the dice roll, where I use the random number generator, and for making the mean. And here I declare some global variables. I understand that this way is not a good practice, but I do it to solve the assignment. Well, here I begin a main. In the beginning of main, I start with seeding the random number generator that I used in the dice roll function. And here I see out something to make it all pretty. Here finally something important. Here I make a for loop to collect the sum from each 4 dice roll and print it out. Do the same with the dice 5 for loop and print it out. Each throw is done in the dice 4 and 5 function. Yeah, each throw and it's sum together, and the function returns the sum. Next time, use the sample I get there and bubble sort it. As you see, I put in the array and then use the bubble sort system. And next time, make a float, then assign sample 4 and sample 5 functions. In sample 4 and 5, I make the mean, as you can see here. Here I go through the array and spit out the mean. There's like 30 rows. Lost. Okay. Then I see out some information just to for that. So, and here's the mean. Here I use the average form. See that, and here I do the median. Then I take number 14, 15 in the right and divide by 2 to get the median. I use 14 and 15 because the right goes from 0 to 29, not from 1 to 40. And here below I do the standard deviation, where I do the square root of the mean one. And as I said before, I use the cmath, include cmath to use the square root. Well, I do the same with 5 dices. 5 dice here. Same principle. And at last time, do a t-test. Make a float of t-test, assign 0 to just to make the 0. If I don't do it, that's a nice number. Here I have the equation for the t-test, minus the average for that's from 5 and divided by square root of 5 plus square root of 4. And it gives me the t-value. Then I make a if sentence here below to see if the t-value is below 2.05 or lower. Then the if sentence also sees out if it's significant or not. That's it. The code will display below.